Welcome to the first episode of the Tetryonics Masterclass. Today we begin at the only place a true physics revolution can begin, the Planck scale. But not the Planck scale as you've been taught, not a point, not a probability cloud, not a wave, but a shape, a Planck Quoin. The Planck Quoin is the true quantum of energy. It is the smallest possible unit of electromagnetic action in the universe, and it has a shape, a tiny equilateral triangle of area. This single geometric tile is the foundation of all quantum mechanics, all electromagnetism, all matter, all chemistry, all biology, and all cosmology. Everything you have ever seen, touched, or imagined is built from tessellated stacks of these equilateral energy tiles. But the Quoin is not just a geometric tile, it is an ideal quantum inductor. Every Planck Quoin is a short-circuited inductive loop at the quantum scale. It stores energy not as a wave, not as a particle, but as inductive flux circulating around its equilateral perimeter. This circulating flux is called omega, the quantized angular momentum flux. Its units are omega equals meters squared per second. This is the literal physical substance of energy. Along each of the three edges of the equilateral triangle, this omega flux flows in a single unidirectional loop. Always one way, never both, never random. This unidirectional circulation is what makes the Quoin an ideal inductor. Zero resistance, zero capacitance, perfect energy storage, and perfect geometric fidelity. In classical electrical engineering, an inductor stores energy in a magnetic field. At the quantum scale, the Planck Quoin is that loop. It is the smallest possible inductive circuit in nature. Because the omega flux flows in only one direction, each Quoin has two distinct faces, one clockwise and one counterclockwise. These two faces are the geometric origin of positive and negative charge. There is no positive particle or negative particle. There is only orientation. Flip the Quoin over and the charge flips with it. Charge is not a property, it is a geometric state. This is the first great unification. Charge equals orientation of omega flux. Every magnetic in the universe begins with the inductive bases of Planck Quoins. Each Quoin has three edges, acting as inductive bases. This creates a literal mechanical geometric dipole. This is the origin of magnetism, not from mysterious spin, but from circulating flux. Because each Quoin has two faces, it naturally encodes a binary state, +1 for one face and -1 for the opposite face. This is the first quantum bit in nature. Every higher structure, photons, electrons, atoms, is built from these binary units. This is why chemistry has valence and why the universe has structure. The entire informational architecture of reality begins here. Now we arrive at the most important equation. Mass times omega equals h. This identity ties geometry to physics. Let's unpack this. Omega is the quantized flux. Mass is its inertive projection. Their product gives the Planck constant. This means h is not fundamental, it is derived. It is the geometric product of mass and omega. This identity is the bridge between geometry and physics. It is the reason energy is quantized, why photons have frequency, and why matter has inertia. Everything in quantum mechanics flows from this truth. When you understand that the Planck Quoin is an ideal inductor, the so-called wave-particle duality disappears. Uncertainty becomes a sampling limit. Randomness becomes geometric determinism. Quantum mechanics stops being a mystical, probabilistic fog and becomes a geometric engineering discipline. The universe has a shape. Now, it has a voice. Let's build the unified physics engine for humanity.